Hello students, today we will continue the topic lines and angle. In this chapter today we will study theorem third. And the theorem is if the sum of two adjacent angle is equal to 180 degree, then the non-common arms of the angles are in a straight line. I will draw a diagram. This is a line A, B, this is a ray, we can name it O, C, this point C. What is given to us? It is given to us that AOC, as these two are adjacent angle, AOC and BOC, as these two are adjacent angle, their sum is equals to 180 degree. It is given to us. That the sum of two adjacent angle is equals to 180 degree. Then we will write angle AOC plus angle BOC equals to 180 degree. What we have to prove? We have to prove that AOB is a straight line. We have to prove that AOB is a straight line. What is given to us? It is given to us that and this angle, sum of these two angles will equals to 180 degree. And what we have to prove? We have to prove that AOB is a straight line. For proving this equation, this theorem, what we will do? We will assume that suppose this AOB is not a straight line. We will draw another ray from this point O. We can name this point D. We will assume that this AOD is a straight line. This is our assumption. For proving this, assume that AOD is a straight line. We will assume that. Students, if we prove this assumption wrong, that AOD is not a straight line, then we can say that AOB is a straight line. If our assumption is wrong. So, we will start. As you know that we assume that AOD is a straight line, we can write angle AOC plus angle DOC equals to 180 degree. In the previous theorem, we studied that sum of two adjacent angles is equals to 180 degree. You can write here linear pair. Now, what is given to us? It is given to us AOC, angle AOC plus angle BOC equals to 180 degree. It is given to us. It is given to us. Now, I will name this equation 1, this is equation 2. Now student, if left hand side or right hand side of any two equations are equal, supposing as you can see that this right hand side of this first equation and this right hand side of the second equation is equal, then their left hand side will also equal. So from equation, I will rub this. From equation 1 and 2, we can say that angle AOC plus angle DOC equals to angle AOC plus angle BOC, as their right hand sides are equal. As you know that this AOC will, when this AOC will come here, its sign will change, positive sign change to negative sign, plus minus will be minus, these two will cancel. But we will get DOC equals to angle BOC. Now look here. Look in the diagram that DOC, this angle, this is a part, and BOC, and this is a whole angle. It will never possible that a small part will be equal to this whole part. So what we have solved this and what we have get here, we can say that this is not true, because a part never never equal, you can say that, greater or equal to whole. This means that we proved that AOB is a straight line, because our assumption is wrong. What we assume that AOD is a straight line, but as our assumption is wrong, we can say that AOB is a straight line. So student, we will do some question now. We will do some question based on these theorems. Question first. In the adjoining figure, AOB is a straight line. Find angle AOC and angle BOD. Now I will draw a diagram. This is a line A and B. These two rays, we name this C, this is D, and this is O. This is X, this is 65 degree, and this is 2x minus 20. Now we have to prove that we have to find the angle AOC, this angle X, and this angle BOD, 2x minus 20. Solution. As you know that in a straight line, whenever there are rays and they form an angle, their sum will be equals to 180 degree. You can say that angle AOC plus angle COD plus angle BOD equals to 180 degree linear pair. Now AOC is X, COD is 65, and BOD is 2x minus 20, 180 degree. So what will you get? This x will add to 2x, you will get 3x. This plus minus minus will be subtract, you will get 45, and the sign will be a greater one. This plus, this is 180 degree. Now 3x, 180. This sign, positive sign, will be changed to negative. You will get 5, 3, 1. Now this 3x we will divide 135. 3 will get 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. We will get our x is equals to 45 degree, or you can say that angle AOC is equals to 45 degree. I can write here angle AOC equals to 45 degree. Now what we have to find? We have to find BOD. You can write 2x minus 20. BOD, what is the value of x? 45. 90 minus 20 is 70 degree. Angle BOD is 70 degree. Clear? Now we will do next question. You can note down. again, in the adjoining figure, what value of x will make AOB a straight line. Now diagram is, this is A, this is B, this is O, this is point C, and this is 3x plus 5 degree, and this angle is 2x minus 25 degree. Now, what we have to find? What value of x make AOB is a straight line? We have to find the value of x, and as you know that these are two adjacent angle, and their sum will be equals to 180 degree. Angle AOC plus angle BOC equals to 180 degree. You can name them linear pair. Clear? Now I will put the value of this AOC. The value is 3x plus 5. What is the value of BOC? 2x minus 25 and equals to 180 degree. This will be add, there will be 5x plus minus minus, we will get 20 and sign will be negative. Sign will be of greater one. 5x minus sign will come here, it will be positive sign. This is 200. This x will divide by 5. 5 4 is 0. X is equal to 40 degree. Students, you find the value of x. And now student, if you have any problem, you can ask me. Thank you.